thing that it's got in there, sorry, is the 5-axis optical image stabilization. They both share that. Yep, they both share. They basically are the same camcorder, except when you go into the 850, you pick up that twin camera, and you pick up something else. Give me a second to remember.
Okay, so the 720 the 750 doesn't have the camera. This camera right
doesn't
here.
Have this, and this has night mode, so it lets you shoot like Desert Storm, like a slightly green tinted video.
Oh, okay.
Under no light.
Okay, so
resolution on both models, so we can shoot high resolution images and show all the details in the new models. The night mode. Here's an example of the night mode that you can shoot in virtually no light. That's with it off.
Yeah. Only on the 850.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'll flip the page when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, sorry. And we've also added on these two models the full high definition slow motion video, so it shoots at 120 frames per second, and we've doubled it to 240, so that you can actually, I forget the show that uses it, there's a TV show that uses these effects, and you can see this super slow motion, you know, and it really is a nice feature to have. And then this is the multi-manual dial, so you now have control over your sharpness, color saturation, your white balance, focusing.
Along with my videos, I know those are perfectly. Even if I'm going to end up using my RAWs for other things, I can save.
I'm looking for that one feature that I told you about.
Only use the JPEGs and the videos.
Here we go. 50 megabits per second on the 850 and the 750, so it shoots MP4 in a higher codec, and they can. And it's more suitable for editing videos on a computer, so you just get a better view, especially if you're showing it on larger screens and things like that. You'll appreciate that. And that's what's special about those top higher end models. So this allows you to monitor your baby using Wi-Fi through your smart device, your tablet or your phone from another room, and you can actually hear, you can set it to make an alert sound when the baby actually wakes up and it hears the baby, and you'll know to tend to her. The voice sensor, you can speak back and forth too. And I suppose you could use the same thing as a pet monitor as well as a baby monitor. So that's one of the functions within the Wi-Fi app, and these are all the different things that you can cover with the Wi-Fi app. Within the Wi-Fi app is a function called NFC, Near Field Communication, which works with Android devices. That creates a nice easy handshake to transfer images. You can do remote shooting, so you can just operate the camcorder remotely with your tablet. You can do the real-time broadcasting through Ustream. You can have a remote view if you just again want to sort of just view what's on the camcorder through your tablet. You can do that. Easy playback and sharing your images, so all different sites like Flickr, Picasa, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. The home monitoring, it's similar to talking to, like your baby monitor, but you can actually set this up and leave your home. You can monitor your house. I don't know where you're from, but I'm from Connecticut, and I could be monitoring my house from my Wi-Fi app if I want to. Auto transfer, all your images can wirelessly transfer to your PC, and you can watch directly onto a TV. So if you have a smart TV with DLNA, you can connect to your TV. So a lot of flexibility within the app, and very easy to use, and it's a free app. Okay. This allows you to operate your camcorder remotely, which you can do with your Wi-Fi app right now, but it actually moves and can be programmed by you. You can set it up to go into a party scene mode where it'll actually focus on wherever the action is based on sound. You can set it up for image tracking, so that you can, if you just point to where you want to have the image, and let's say it's your kid or your dog, it'll follow him around the room. Or you can set it in manual mode, and it has a tripod mount from the camcorder to the accessory, and then a tripod mount from the accessory to a tripod. And you connect it to USB on the camcorder, and it has battery power, which you can put dry cells in there, and it also has an adapter, a DC adapter. So you can take it off and take it remotely and use it without having power.
All the models?
It works with these models, not quite all the models, but the 850, the 750, the 550, and the 250.